Hello and welcome to yet another tutorial on different outlier detection methods. Today I will discuss about Pearson type 3 outlier detection method. And this Pearson type 3 method was proposed by Spencer and McQueen in the year of 1960. Now, to learn this method, you must know or must learn or must watch the video I have uploaded previously on log Pearson type 3 outlier detection method, which is given in the bulletin 17B. This bulletin is published by Interagency Advisory Committee of Water Data. Year of publication is 1982. Now there is some limitation on that method. On the log Pearson type 3 method as recommended by bulletin 17B had some specific limitations. Let us discuss about those limitations first. In that method, we assume that the data set for which we are trying to identify the outlier is invariably normally distributed. That means the data set is or follows the pattern of normal distribution function. But not all data set is distributed normally or follows the pattern of normal distribution.